Adding logo to the banner. The logo of an organization may be used for different purposes. Here, the need is to add it to a banner. So, let us try creating a banner with the logo. Draw a rectangle as background. Give it an attractive background color. Make it attractive by using colors and pictures in the background. Inkscape has the facilities to edit bitmap images. Add a picture to the canvas using the menu File, Import. Select File to import dialog box appears. Select the image and click on Open button. Select Embed as the image type and then click on OK button. Adjust the size and create suitable background. Increase the size of the imported image and place it inside the rectangle. Then move the logo to the banner. The imported image appears above the logo. Then it is possible to use the Raise to Top option in the Object menu to place the logo to the top of the banner. Adjust the size of the logo according to the banner. Press and hold Shift Control buttons to reduce the size of the logo. To include the name of the coffee shop to the banner, select the text tool and type the name of the coffee shop. After typing, select the text and change its font style into bold and change its color into aqua blue. Increase its size using selection tool and move it to the banner. Then reduce its size according to the banner. Then take its duplicate by clicking Edit menu, Duplicate option. Then change the color of the duplicate into black. Then click on Object menu, Lower option. Now the original text appeared on the top of the selection. Take Fill and Stroke option from Object menu and change the Blur option into 2%. Then adjust the size of the original text. Now the duplicate text looks like a shadow at the bottom of the original text. To include Malayalam text to the banner, select the text tool and change the keyboard layout into Malayalam and type the text. Type the Malayalam text Oru Kudumbashri Samrambham and then select the text. Don't forget to change its font name into Rajana. Then select the text using selection tool and increase its size. Change its color and move it into the banner. Select the suitable color for the text and reduce its size. Then place the text to the appropriate position of the banner. Save the logo in PNG format. Choose the Export PNG option from the File menu. Activity 2 completed. Hope you understand the first chapter, The World of Designing. I know your limitations for doing practical, so you should watch and thorough each activities.